Hello there, YouTubers slash blimp.tv. I always forget you, I am sorry. But today, we have some news. The daily feeder, the daily news, whatever people call it these days. Let's just carry on and get onto it. First off, we've got some Firefox add-ons going on. Get it? Firefox add-ons? Yes, there's a Firefox add-on just for Ubuntu called UnityFox. Basically, if you're downloading, let's say you were downloading, I don't know, an application or a picture or a video from your Firefox web browser today, you will have it. While it's downloading, you will have it in the actual Unity docs showing you how many downloads you're downloading, and it shows you a little taskbar that what's downloading and what's not downloading. Quite nice, quite easy to use. Unfortunately, I'm not showing it on my Firefox because I don't really use it that much, and I use it if my Chrome browser starts breaking down, and I go into my backup Firefox. My backup browser will be either Firefox or Opera, but browsers are browsers, either work or don't. Next latest news is, well, there's a new computer. It's called the Bytebench. Guessing it's some sort of German company that are selling an actual really expensive computer, a weird computer, shaped weird computer. Well, you can see from in the description, well, no, in the description, in the video, there's going to be a load of euros, let's just say. There's quite a lot of money. So, if you're interested in a designer computer, worth about, I don't know, I'm guessing estimating UK, I might be wrong, for, no, 200, no, 100 and, yeah, 1,000, no, 1 million, I don't know, in pounds somewhere, estimating on that, I'd say about £1,000 in English pounds, maybe. In dollars, probably around about, I don't know, something around there. Maybe not, maybe less, maybe more in dollars. I don't know. Get a calculator, estimate it yourself. But would you buy a designer computer with Ubuntu 12.04 on? I don't know. Are you that accelerated to buy that price of a computer? Well, it looks a little bit ugly, I've got to say. No offense to the designers, but it looks nice in other ways, but I think it looks ugly in other ways as well. So, depends on the speed and the power, and, well, bit of a weird computer, isn't it? So, Bytebench. Go onto their website or Google it up, Bytebench. You'll find something. Now, let's go on some Poppy news. Poppy today, well, I think yesterday or the day before, I can't remember, but Poppy Linux 5.3.3 Slacko has just been released. So, if you're interested in Poppy Linux, you can always download it, try it out, install it, whatever you ever do with Linux. It seems to be just an updated version of 5.3.1. It's not really much big major difference. It's just an update from the older version of Puppy. That's basically it. Well, there are some good applications and just updated kernels and updated RAM, and I don't know, all these other updated things. You get all the latest software and stuff with Puppy, and, well, whatever Puppy people like to do with Puppy Linux is up to them. So, Puppy Linux, out for you. Coming in, 3.4 Part 2. Well, yeah. File storage and drivers. Basically, they are getting the kernel to work a little bit faster and to handle errors a little bit better. Lately, they are basically, well, at the moment, kernel supports more updated Intel processors, like a year later before, or the year earlier before. Well, you get what I mean. They got Intel processors, and they get the latest Intel processors before anyone else does. A year before anyone else does, so they get to know, and they can fix the drivers, and they've got time to fix the drivers in the kernel, and blah 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 blah. So they get the first release of the Intel processor, then you get it after next year. So yeah, it's up to you what you do with the kernel. But Yes, the kernel 3.4 is meant to handle errors better, meant to be work faster. What does that could improve to Ubuntu? Well, if they do that, then that means Ubuntu could be a little bit faster, and there might be just a tick mark for the actual update for 12.10 for 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, it should boot up in 2 minutes or less. Well, no, 2 seconds. That'd be awesome. Just press the button in Ubuntu. Yeah, that'd be cool. Yeah, just like you could do in Windows 8, but Windows 8 is just a bit ugh. Well, that's it for the news today. I think if you're interested, I'll give you a link to the Firefox or Unity Fox add-on. So if you're interested in like the downloads of Unity, then on the Unity dock, and you'd like to put downloads into the, well, you know what I mean, on your Firefox, you can get the add-on for your Firefox browser. And if you're interested, I can take you to the Puppy Link website. You can actually download the actual ISO, and so forth. Give it a try. And also, come to the Linux Combat Live and Linux Combat community for the latest distributions and some news and something else. So we've got some other distributors we haven't covered yet, so you can come to it and find more information about different distributions, even the ones you can't get on DistroWatch, which is even more amazing. So, thank you. Goodbye.